The custom profiles. So basically custom profile, like if you want to see the profile, you have to go to the profile and see this. These are the custom and standard profiles are there. These are custom and these are the standard profiles which are provided by the Salesforce. Now, if you open any one of the profile, you will be able to see the different profiles here. You'll be able to see the different profiles. Like if you click on that profile, and these are the level of access for the object level, field level, and app level, right? And the record type, custom app. So these everything can be done in the profile level. So profile is handles the custom app, custom application, page layout, field level security, and then we have a record types, tab settings, and record type, tab setting, and the object level, standard object, custom object, and custom object, session settings, and password policies, and Apex level, Apex or a Visual Force level. If you want to give any access, you can give access. Now login hours, login IP ranges, these all are called as a, these all are available inside the profile. So you can handle these all things in the profile. Now this is the profile view. This is profile view. You can click on this setup profile, go to the profile and open any profile. You will be able to, these all settings are available. Now this is the view of the profile. In case if you want to change the view of the profile, right? In that scenario, what we will do is we will go for an enhance. It's not an enhanced email, it's a enhanced view. So that is available inside the user interface or user management. User management. In this user management, there is a something is available, enhanced profile list view. Enhanced profile user interface. Right? So if you change this enhanced profile user interface to enable. If I enable this, what will happen if I try to open the profile? Now, if I open any profile, the view is going to change. Before the view is different. Now the view is different. Now let's see. Here it is says that profile, it is displaying the assignment apps, assigned connected app, object setting, app permission, Apex class, visual codes. These are things are displaying in the profile. Now if I switch off this, immediately the profile view is going to change. Now refresh. See here, these are the options which are displayed in the profile. Right? Before it was displaying the view was a different, now the view is different. So if you want to have a different view for the profile, just use the enable enhance profile user interface. Just click on this. Let's say these are the standard objects. Now I wanted to create a custom object. Custom profile. Now I want to create a custom profile. Let's say profile is, assume that I'm going to create a profile which is called as a vehicle manager. And for this vehicle manager, we will be giving the access to the sales lightning application, marketing lightning application, custom lightning application. Right? So create a new profile. Click on this profile. On these new profiles. Have it. Now, profiles are cannot be created from the scratch. Profiles are cannot be created from the scratch. It always has to create it from the existing profile. Whatever the existing profiles are there, we have to always create it from the existing profile. We have to always create it from the existing profiles. We cannot create it from the scratch. Now, which profile do we need to take it? We can take any profile. So we have these many profiles are there. So you can take any profile. Let's say I'm going to take a system administrator, which is a license is Salesforce license. The license is Salesforce license. Now profile name, we have to specify the profile name. Let's say here custom system admin or else vehicle manager. What is the profile name? We have it vehicle manager. So profile name selected vehicle manager. And click on it, save. I'm taking the copy of the existing profile, which is a system administrator, right? And then we are creating the new one, which is called vehicle manager. Now click on it, save. So this is the profile we have created it, which is a copy of the system administrator. Copy of the profile, which is called system administrator. And the license is user license. Now, what is the access we are going to give it? Access is sales lightning application and marketing lightning application, custom application. Now, in order to modify this, click on the edit. Let's say we are going to remove all of them. Community, we are going to remove the community and content data management, right? Digital experience. Say sales, let's keep it. Queue management, remove it. Custom, let it be there. And this is remove it. Service console, keep it. And that's all. These are the different things. Now, I have removed few of the applications, right? Access, I have removed it on the profile, which is called as custom profile. That is a vehicle manager. Click on it, save. Now, how do we test this profile? In order to test this profile, what are the custom application we have created? In order to test this, we have a users. Go to the users. Now, yesterday, last class, we have created the user, which is called Eric. When this user, which is a Eric, now username is this one. What I'll do is I'll go to the right click, incognito, open the incognito window and try to log in to the Salesforce with the Eric credentials. Let's log in, verification code. I have logged in as a Eric. And if you see this, Eric has a complete access. Like if I open the applications, view all, now you can see the Eric user is able to see all these applications, right? Board, lightning usage app, and digital experience, community, these everything is able to see. Now what I'll do is for this user, open this user, we have created a new profile which is called as a vehicle manager. For the vehicle manager, we have removed a access to the application which is called digital experience, right? So we have removed few access to these apps. Only we kept it like a marketing, sales, service, and custom application. These are the one which we have given. What I'll do is I'll click on the edit button. License is a Salesforce license. How can I say license is a Salesforce? Because profile, when we created a profile, we have taken the existing copy of this, which is a system administrator. System administrator license automatically copied here. One license can have a multiple license associated to it. Now, let's say I'm going to change it, which is a vehicle manager. Click on save. Now, if I try to log in to the Eric, let's click on a refresh. On this button, apps, view all. Now, how many this user is able to see? Maximum this user is able to see 7. Before it was have a more bold or a digital experience. These are everything is was available. Now let's remove the lightning usage app also. Lightning usage app. Let me remove one of the app. Click on edit. Lightning usage app. Let's uncheck this and click on save. Click on refresh. We can see only 6 applications. Sales, service, marketing, and custom application we are able to see. But only 6 applications can be done. So profile is going to decide it what user can do with the apps or what are the access we have given, what user can do. So few observation or properties of the profile. There are standard profiles, which are 39 profiles, which are provided by the Salesforce. Out of 39, 4 are the custom one, but those custom one also provided by the Salesforce. Now, profile cannot be created from the scratch, right? So it has to be always, when we are creating a new profile, it has to be always created with the existing one. So you need to copy the existing profile, then only you can create it. Copying the existing one, either you can take a standard or a custom. And profiles are license dependent, right? So profiles are always license dependent. Whenever you copy the existing profile, automatically the license is also can be copied. Now, one profile can be assigned to the multiple users. One profile can be assigned to the multiple users. One profile can be assigned to the multiple users, whereas one user can have only one profile. So I have a user and profile. One user can be assigned to the one profile, but profile will have a multiple connections to the users. Profile will have multiple connection to the user. User to profile, it's a one-to-one relationship. Take a assignment. So create a profile which is a copy of the system administrator. So profile name is a professor. Salesforce professor. Now, app you need to give access to this is marketing, sales, service, account, and read-only access on the account number and account site active. What are these? These are the basically fields. You can also give access on the field level. So click on this edit, the custom profile, click on this edit. Object level. If you want to give a object level access, you can also give a object level access. Like these are the object level, standard object level, and also we have a custom object level. These are the custom object level. Now, in case if you remove all these things, work order, right? So if you remove all these things, you will not be able to see work order, work templates. This you cannot see. You cannot see. Let's say, for example, I'm going to remove all this object access. Let's assume that I'm going to remove the access for the account as well. Account and say remove the delete option. Remove the delete option. And then click on a save. So I have removed the access for the object level, new objects which are related to the work order. And also account level, I have removed the delete access. Let's check that. So we have a account, delete and modify all. Similarly, we have a, so this is, we have removed it. Now let's go ahead and check. This is the user Eric. It's in the incognito. Let's refresh. Application and then view all. We can see 6 and let's go to the account. In the account, click on any existing accounts, click on all accounts, open this account and click on delete. I'm able to edit it. Edit option is available here. Let's say I'm changing the ownership. Click on save. Edit option is available, but I cannot delete it. But I do not have an option to delete it. If I go here and click on this all accounts, if I select here and choose it, delete option is not available. Usually if I go to the system administrator, now this is the system admin. Now if I go to the system admin, click on this system admin. And if I click on this arrow mark, I have a delete option is available. Even if I open, then I have a delete option which is available on the account level. Delete option is available. But whereas for the Eric user, it does not have a edit option. And if I open the record also, I do not have a delete option. Because delete option is we have removed it at the object level. At the object level in profile, we have removed it. In the profile, object level, delete option is removed it. So that's, you can also modify it. Read only access keyword, the account number, account site, and active. These are the fields you have to give it. Field level also you can control it. So if you scroll down, this is the object level, field level is which is available. What are the fields, or do you want to go for a fields? Right, so you have an option here, field level security. So for this field level security, go to the field level, standard field level, custom field level, anything, and go to the view. And if you open the view, and which are the fields do you want to see it? Click on the edit button. Just make it read only. Which are the fields are read only? Just make it read only. So that what will happen? Whoever is you assign the profile to the user will have only access to the account number, which is a read-only access, account site read-only access, and active is a read-only access. You cannot modify these fields. And second assignment, create a new profile, which is called as a Tata Sales Admin. And for this, give a application access, only sales lightning application, marketing lightning application. And then assignment 3, create a new profile, CEO, read only. Copy of read only. So remove the object's access of work type, work order, and entitlement. Just create a new profile CEO, read only. Copy the read only and remove the object access, work type, work order, and entitlement. Specify here, assign the profile to system admin user, which created yesterday. So whatever the assignment, like the user which you have created last class, right? I have given the assignment, which is to create a user. For that user, try to assign this profile. That's about the assignment. Also, I have given the referral link and trial head link.